Did you ever imagine school becoming enclosed in a screen? Yes, we literally dealt in a virtual world for the past 1 year, battling against the unseen enemy.
Though the global pandemic had a huge disruptive effort in our normal life, making social distancing, using masks and sanitizers, inevitable part of our daily routine. The spirit to cope up with this new lifestyle never kept us away from exploring novel opportunities that came our way.
When the classrooms are put on hold, the virtual platform stepped in with a bag full of potentials.
Let it be assessments, examinations, or celebrations. Everything found a pristine dimension.
Frontline Challenge was equally distributed among the teachers, parents, learners, and community.
Though we missed the long line of students near the gates, the excited ones stepping into the classrooms, but the school bells kept ringing on a virtual mode, welcoming each one of them to this blended learning.
Let this massive shift teach us newer lights of hope.
Let our momentum to cherish our dreams take a powerful ride. Let our aspirations grow stronger in the days to come.
Bharat family welcomes each of its buds to blossom into the new academic year with lots of courage, confidence, and enthusiasm.
Greetings from Bharat Mada. I am here to welcome you all, the family members of Bharat Mada CMI Public School, to the new academic year 2021-22. I remember it has been over a year and more that we have came together in person. March 15th, 2020, if I am not wrong, that is the day that we heard some new words like social distancing, sanitization, mask, shutdown, lock, unlock, and so on. It was not familiar to us. But a situation like COVID-19 pandemic made us to hear or be familiar with these kind of words. Of course, we know all the seriousness of the situation, but still again, after 1 year, we are again stepping into a new academic year, virtual platform. My simple message is that no matter it is online or offline, no matter it is lock or unlock, let our aspirations touch the sky. There should not be any limitations to our convictions and our aspirations. There are students stepping into the classrooms for the first time, behind the glass screens. But still, we need to keep these kind of mechanism in the upcoming years, if the time demands so. So my dear parents, teachers, and my beloved students, I welcome you all to Bharat Mada family for the next academic year and wish you all my prayers. Let our minds come together. Let us be united in prayer and in family spirit so that the upcoming years is also be hopeful. Once again, on behalf of all the teaching faculty and management, I welcome you all to the new academic year. Wish you all the very best. Good luck. Thank you so much.